Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to tackle the BET Plus error code 2005 and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to fix this issue. If you've encountered this error while trying to stream your favorite content on BET Plus, don't worry. Follow these simple steps to get back to watching your shows without any interruptions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first step in resolving error code 2005 is to ensure that your internet connection is stable. Try the following. Restart your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. Test your internet speed using a speed test website or app to confirm you're getting adequate bandwidth for streaming. Step 2. Update the BET Plus app. Using an outdated version of the BET Plus app might lead to various errors, including error code 2005. Here's how to update it. On iOS, go to the App Store, search for BET Plus, and tap Update if it's available. On Android, open the Google Play Store, find BT Plus, and select Update. If you're using a streaming device, such as Roku or Fire TV, check the device's App Store for updates. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Clearing the cache and data for the BT Plus app can help eliminate any corrupted files causing the error. For iOS, go to Settings, General iPhone Storage, BET Plus, and select Delete App. Then reinstall it from the App Store. For Android, go to Settings Apps, BET Plus, then select Storage and tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Step 4. Reinstall the BET Plus app. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, try reinstalling the app. Uninstall the BET Plus app from your device. Restart your device to ensure all files are cleared. Re-download and install the BET Plus app from your device's App Store. Step 5. Check for device compatibility. Ensure that your device is compatible with the BET Plus app. Older devices may have hardware or software limitations that can cause errors. Check the BET Plus support page for the latest compatibility information. Step 6. Contact BET Plus support. If you've tried all the above steps and still encounter error code 2005, it may be time to reach out to BET Plus customer support. They can provide further assistance and help diagnose any underlying issues with your account or service. Remember, technical issues can be frustrating, but following these steps should help you resolve BET Plus error code 2005 quickly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video.